Roaring River, and I'm here with my entire family. Giovanna, Hale, Vivek, Reka. Okay, so we're heading into the caves.
Moment.
We have our guide here, Colin.
Yeah, man. You're welcome to the Roaring River Park and Cave.
Excellent. We saw all the river, and you hear the noise. That's why they call it Roaring River. And if you look at the blue hole behind us, the water comes up there naturally from the spring, and a diver went down 160 feet. Haven't found the bottom. Clean, pure water from the earth. So we're outside of the cave right at the bottom. There's a mini cave in the back there, and you're actually seeing the clear water flowing into the cave. Alright, we're entering the cave.
So now this is the first compartment of the cave, and you see it's low roof. Further we go, taller roof, bigger compartment. In water and kindly drip it out in nipples.
Right.
What do you think, boss? Good. So, and the slaves used to hide here?
Yeah, man. That's the head of a lion, and the lion kissing a skull on the right side. A skeleton, you see?
Alright, so we're in the first compartment of the cave, and Colin is showing us around all the different formations and whatnot. And this one is the one with the lower roof, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and we'll be going into the bigger one in a bit.
Still down. Perfect, down. You know, India in the corner. Just close your mouth while looking up. With the head stick out with
We're in the big part of the cave, the big chamber. You can't see it too much here, but it's really, really tall and really high. And right over there, that's the entrance to go to the stream. So we'll be heading in there and taking a dip.
You don't want to go down.
And it's on the side.
And you catch your feet on the right foot down, then your body to the right.
Where is the bag you want?
I'll do my back.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. You like it?
I want to go in there.
Straight up. We just came out of the cave there and we were walking down. So good. Right, so we're walking through, going down to the river by the little bridge. Down by the river. This is the river behind here. Alright, by the bridge. You know, the locals come and they relax here in the evenings. And my son, Vivek, he's going to jump off that bridge. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Okay, so we just went down by the bridge, the Roaring River Bridge, and we had a ball. My son jumped in about what, 20 times? So it was pretty good. We're gonna pack up and head out. Just came from Rowan River and we drove back to Montego Bay, and we decided that it's early still, so we stopped out in Dead End, which is in Montego Bay, just to take a swim in the beach. Alright, so we're here at Dead End and we went to Rowan River. How was it, guys?
It was really
How's the caves?
real good.
Was good?
Real good.
Alright, good. So we're going to wrap it up here, and the next day we'll go on the next adventure. Alright, so remember to keep watching and subscribe if you like what you see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye.